Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with packet loss on your PC, like stuttering in games, rubber banding, or sudden lag spikes, yeah, that's one of the most annoying network issues. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to fix packet loss step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your PC. I know it's basic, but it clears temporary network errors that often cause packet loss. Next, use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Wireless connections are more unstable and are a common cause of packet loss. Now check if too many devices are using your internet. Streaming, downloads, or multiple users can overload your network and cause packet loss. Close any background apps using the internet. Things like Cloud Sync or game launchers can silently cause packet drops. If you're gaming, always select the closest server region. Far servers increase packet loss risk due to longer routing paths. Outdated network drivers can cause instability, so make sure your drivers are fully updated. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for testing. These can increase routing delays and packet loss. Next, change your DNS to a reliable one like Google DNS or Cloudflare. It helps improve connection stability. If the issue continues, perform a full network reset. This removes misconfigured settings that can cause packet loss. Finally, if nothing works, the issue might be your router, cable, or internet provider. So yeah, testing another network can help confirm it. And that's it. If you follow these steps, packet loss on your PC should reduce or even disappear completely. Most of the time, it's just a simple configuration issue.